Have you ever wondered how humans captured the very first photo? Believe it or not, cameras didn't always fit in your pocket. From giant wooden boxes to AI-powered smartphones, the story of cameras is mind-blowing. And we're diving in. It all started with a camera obscura, literally a dark room with a tiny hole. Sunlight would project an upside-down image of the outside world onto a wall. Painters used it to trace scenes perfectly. The very first way humans captured reality. In 1826, Joseph Nicephore Niepce captured the world's first photograph on a metal plate. And here's the crazy part. It took 8 hours to fully appear. One photo, one whole workday. By the late 1800s, George Eastman invented roll film, making cameras portable and easy to use. Suddenly, photography wasn't just for scientists. Anyone could capture real life as it happened. Then came the Polaroid in 1947. Instant photos. No dark rooms, no waiting hours. Click, and your picture appeared right in front of you. People went crazy for it. The 1980s brought digital cameras. Goodbye film. Hello sensors. Images could be previewed instantly, stored, and shared electronically. Photography entered the digital age. Today, cameras are everywhere, in your pocket. Smartphones combine multiple lenses, AI enhancements, and high-resolution sensors. Portrait mode, night vision, slow motion. Photography is now for everyone. From a dark room with a tiny hole to AI-powered pocket devices, cameras have transformed how we capture the world. So next time you snap a photo, remember, you're part of a 200-year journey of innovation. Follow for more secrets behind next breakthrough.